I know you watch YouTube for the pranks, the vlogs, what's hot in fashion, the tea, the lists, the cars, the tech, everything. Trust and believe, I could tell you all of my favorites. But when was the last time you watched something that's going to better your future? Take your life to the next level. Like I said, I'm here for it. I love watching people do their thing. But at the end of the day, what good is it to look hot, know what's hot, and your life's a knot? Don't worry, I got you. We're gonna get you into college. I know what you're thinking. I probably thought it myself too. But man, I don't even like school, and it's too early for all of that. It's never too early. Plus, college is nothing like high school. In college, you pick your classes, studying the things you want, with the professors you want, at the time you want, surrounded by the people you want, with all the clubs and activities that you want. So all I'm asking is, could you get that degree like you got your diploma so you get to living your best life right now? Because maybe high school was all about what everybody else wanted, but college is about to be all about you. But man, it's so hard to get in. I don't even know if I should bother. And that's a myth. There are 100 colleges that are extremely competitive and hard to get into. But there are like 500 colleges that accept more than 75% of the applicants. That means 3 out of 4 students who apply get in. Can we just take a second? You're number 1. You're getting in. You're getting in. You're getting in. I'm sorry. Well, actually, I'm not sorry. I'm Jordana, and if your name's not sorry, you're getting in too. But those applications and all those tests is so complicated. Listen, we're gonna take this step by step, and I'm going to explain everything. Plus, you're not alone. Not only do you have me, there are students all across the world. Yes, international students, I'm looking at you. That's right. There are students everywhere who feel the same way you feel, the same anxieties, the same struggles, the same fears, and we're all in this together. So join the journey. Yep. No more excuses. Answer this. Do you like money? Do you want to make more of it? Do you want to make lifelong friends? Do you want to find out your life's purpose and your passion? Don't you like to have fun? Then there's only one answer. College. Let's make a plan to get you there. Every video I make, every post I put up is meant to inspire and inform you to help you take your next step so that you can land up exactly where you want to be. So subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be informed the next time a video is uploaded to help you take your next step. Oh, and while you're at it, hit that like button too, because if you've stuck with me this long and you're still watching, I like you. Yeah, I know, that sounds crazy. I don't even know you, right? But you've been watching for a while, so gotta say I'm feeling you. And everybody knows that it's rude to just stare at somebody when they tell you that they like you. So hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching Journey with Jordana. See you soon.